You sit down to work. You open your laptop. And within minutes, your brain starts screaming. You check your phone. You glance at tabs. You try to focus, but your mind keeps slipping. It's not just you. It's everyone. And here's the terrifying part. This wasn't an accident. It was engineered. Because in today's world, your focus isn't lost. It's stolen. Stolen by notifications, by algorithmic noise, by endless pings designed to fracture your attention span, one dopamine hit at a time. You weren't born distracted. You were trained to be. Studies show the average human attention span has dropped to just 8 seconds. That's less than a goldfish, but it's not biology. It's business. Tech companies profit every time you lose control. They studied your brain. They mapped your triggers, and they built a system that rewards distraction and punishes deep thought. It's not just about scrolling. It's about rewiring your brain circuitry. Multitasking has become your default state. You jump from reel to reel, screen to screen, task to task. But the truth? Multitasking kills focus. It damages memory. It reduces IQ temporarily by up to 15 points. You're not becoming more efficient. You're becoming more scattered. You try to read, but can't finish a page. You start a task, but can't stay with it. You feel tired without doing anything. This is dopamine fatigue, mental fragmentation, burnout disguised as boredom. And the worst part, you blame yourself. You say, I just have no discipline. I must be lazy. I can't focus like I used to. But this isn't weakness. This is weaponization. Your brain is not broken. It's overloaded. Let's change that. Here's how to rebuild your focus from the ground up. 1. Dopamine discipline. Don't start your day with a hit. No phone for the first 30 minutes. Let your brain warm up before it's hijacked. 2. Task batching. Do one thing and only one. Switching costs your brain time and energy. Batch your work. Protect your deep focus windows. 3. Reduce cognitive load. Too many tabs, too many decisions, too many inputs. Declutter your digital life. Create mental space to think. 4. Embrace boredom. Boredom is not the enemy. It's the gateway to deep thought. Sit in silence. Let your mind wander. That's where creativity lives. 5. Protect your focus like it's your future, because it is. In a world that profits off your distraction, focus is rebellion. Focus is power. You're not broken. You've just been scattered, but scattered pieces can be reassembled. And when you take your attention back, you take your life back. And if you want to understand how scrolling is silently rewiring your brain, you need to watch the number one reason you can't stop scrolling on social media. Break the pattern. Think deeper. Thinkrift.